Today, we are going to review Lesson 15.1, Solving Perimeter and Area Problem. Let's review some important vocabulary and concepts. First, remember that a square is a four-sided shape. All sides are equal length. That means if one side is 3 inches, all the sides are 3 inches. A rectangle also has 4 sides. However, only the opposite sides have the same lengths. For example, if side A is 6 inches, the side opposite, C, is also 6 inches. But as you can see, sides B and D are 4 inches. A and C are opposite, and B and D are opposite. Is perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around a figure. We need to determine perimeter when deciding how much fence to buy to put around a yard. When a teacher measures border to place around a bulletin board, that is also perimeter. To find the perimeter of an object, you add together all of the sides. Area is the amount of surface a figure covers. The size of an area rug or how much paint to buy to paint your bedroom are both examples of area. Area is very important. You do not want to buy a rug that is too big or run out of paint when painting your bedroom. The formula to find area is length times width. Before we solve a problem using area and perimeter together, let's review each independently. If I need to find the perimeter of a square, and each side is 4 inches, I add each side together. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 16 inches. If I need to find the area of the same 4-inch square, I multiply the length times the width, which in this case are the same. 4 times 4 equals 16 square inches. Remember that you must label the unit of measurement. When finding area, add the word square, or SQ, to the unit of measurement. A rectangle with a width of 3 feet and a length of 5 feet. To find its perimeter, add 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 equals 16 feet. The area of the same rectangle is 3 times 5, which equals 15 square feet. Let's look at an example of when we can use perimeter and area to solve a problem. Here we have a park. We know that the width of the park is 7 miles. We also know that the perimeter of the park is 36 miles. What we need to find out is the length of the park. Let's think about what we should do to find the missing length. Begin with what you know. If the width of one side of the park, a rectangle, is 7 miles, then the opposite side is also 7 miles. We also know that if we add all 4 sides together, we will get 36 miles. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Subtract 14 from 36, and the difference is 22. But that 22 represents both lengths together, and we need to determine each length. Simply divide 22 by 2, and the dividend is 11. The length of one side is 11 miles. Use your formulas, think about what you know, and finally, do not forget to label the unit of measurement.